You're highly welcome to the Great Malam Doko Shrine. As you can see, inshallah, who is the one who has done a good work for people always. As you can see, he's the great man himself. He's the one standing over here. So any kind of help that you are in need, you need to contact him for any kind of help that you are in need. He's a great person who has been helping people around the world about their all spiritual breakthrough. Wherever you are, any part of the world, do not hesitate. Inshallah, if you want to say bye-bye to your worries, unless him. So do your best and then try and contact him with all kind of problem that you are facing and say bye-bye to all your worries. It's just one-time job. He's not going to stress you, and you are going to what? To pay money and get whatever that you are in need of. You are not paying him for what you are doing, but it's because of the work. So try a level best and come and say bye-bye to all your problems. If you are in need of money, lotto number, visa problem, marriage problem, whatever kind of problem that you are facing, my brothers and sisters, I'm telling you, there is a great man on this world God has given to you for you people to encounter on and say bye-bye to all your worries. He's here, and I want you all to see him very well and getting to know that what actions speak louder than words. He can see his assistance. He's been inherited by it, and he's ready to help whoever is ready. He's not forcing people, and he's doing his work 100% legit. Inshallah, try your level best and contact him.